Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. It is our proud pleasure to celebrate 75 years of India's independence and we present to you a Tiranga Poha. First, heat a spoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, some Channa dal. Next, add in this carrot and tomato paste. I had taken one carrot, one dry red chilli and ground it into a paste along with a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Lightly stir fry it. This is some washed and soaked for about 5 minutes poha. Mix everything well together. Just add required quantity of salt and mix it all well together. And now we'll transfer this into another bowl. Next, take another spoon of oil. Add a pinch of jeera or cumin seeds and a teaspoon of this cashew nuts. Just fry the nuts a little bit. This is a paste of fresh coconut and milk. I have also added a little bit of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar while grinding this coconut and milk paste. And to this we'll again add this soaked poha. And mix all the ingredients well together. We have already added sugar, so I am not adding any salt to this. So this will give us the white portion of our tricolour. This is also ready. Now finally, just take one more spoon of oil. To this, we will add some mustard seeds and a teaspoon of groundnuts. When the groundnuts are well roasted, I am adding this paste of coriander leaves, green chilli, salt and a little bit of lemon juice. Next, add in this soaked poha as required and again mix everything well together. Do it on a low flame. So our green poha is also ready. Our humble tribute to celebrate 75 years of India's independence. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day once again. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.